Mission complete. So, what do you have for me this time?
We just want you to bring a seed. A bioagency is trying to exploit it. Looks like everything's ready. Well, let's get the world turning. Again.
The world is ready for the IONIQ5.
the day it might come. We've been working on our future for so long. Now the time has come and I can't wait to dream again. Open your eyes to see what we can bring to life every moment. Now the time has come to dream
The IONIQ concept cabin is part of Hyundai's electric vehicle customer experience vision that they're calling Style Set Free. When you start the IONIQ concept cabin, a camera recognizes your face and welcomes you with a personalized greeting. The shoe butler takes care of wet or dirty shoes under your seat. Clothing care keeps your jackets dry and clean. If it's raining outside, you can change the screen and enjoy driving in your favourite weather in your favourite place. The multimedia screen is bendable to suit your position. You can watch together in widescreen or watch separately with split screen, allowing private viewing for both passengers. listen to music by creating a personal sound zone using multiple built-in speakers and the interchangeable headrest. Cold drinks and snacks from the in-vehicle snack bar. Keep caffeinated with the in-vehicle coffee machine. Clean the inside air with the air purifier. All these modules are customizable. When you leave the Ioniq concept cabin, UV lighting on the ceiling sterilizes the space, and the floorbot activates to remove dust. Under their style set-free vision, Hyundai hopes to revolutionize the time we spend traveling, to enrich our lives for the rest of the day.